So I used a spreadsheet to calculate the slope. And again, to do that, to get the slope, we use the slope command on a spreadsheet, and the slope wants the y values, comma, and then the x values. And my slope in this case came out to about 0.485. And the next thing I want to do is I want to interpret what does that slope mean. So to figure that out, I need to think about, well, what's the numerator? Numerator is going to be the change in the y values. So difference in y's, and the denominator is the difference in x's. So the y's, what are those? So let's see, that's the annual high temperature. So does it say whether it's degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius? I do not see that here, just temperature, okay? So then my numerator is a change in temp. And my denominator is years. So the denominator is a change in year. And so what I want to do is look at that as a fraction. So 0.485 divided by 1. So that's an increase in 1 year. Gives me an increase in temperature of that much. So what does this slope mean? It would mean something like for each year that goes by, we always start with the x value first. That's called the independent variable. The annual high temperature. And since this is a positive number, I would say increases by 0.485, and then we're throwing here on average, because that's over all of these years here. So that's the average change per year. That's what the slope tells me there. The intercept that I have down here, that came from the intercept command on my spreadsheet. And intercept, like slope, wants to know what the y values are, and then comma, highlight the x values. So you would just highlight your y's, comma, and then highlight your x's. And boom, you get yourself an intercept.